Now that's what I call flyby, 2 Chinooks. That's what I used to work on, the hydraulics, and that's what I flew on in the Army in 1976 and 1977 at Clayton, Camp Humphreys, Korea. Oh yeah, K6. Man, that was sweet. That was close too. Hope I picked that up on video. I just thought I'd share that one. Wow. And we're still out here. Okay. Still doing our thing, man. You better believe it. But it's about coming to the end of the day. That's right. I'll talk to you beautiful people later. Tom out of here. I just had to show you those 2 Chinooks that went by. We call them shit hooks. Okay. Thumbs up, leave those comments. Talk to you soon. Bye.